You are going to love the 2017 Grand Caravan. The Dodge Grand Caravan received the government's highest front and side crash rating of 5 stars. Its vast interior is widely praised, with an innovative seating arrangement, versatile cargo storage, and enough entertainment features to keep the kids entertained on road trips, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, alloy wheels, power steering, hard disk drive media storage, 4-wheel disc brakes, CD player, electronic stability control, trip computer. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.